lesson, we will be finding missing sides of similar polygons. So a very important thing to remember is that similar polygons have sides that are proportional. There's our big hint to find the missing side. We're going to set up a proportion. So you should know that a proportion is made up of two equivalent ratios. So in number one, and they're telling us that our polygons are similar, and what they want us to find the value of x. So I see that I have a small and a larger polygon. So this is my brain setting up my thinking to make sure I put my values in the right place. So now with small written over big, I know that every value for the numerator will represent the small shape, and every value for the denominator will represent the bigger shape. So let's see what we do. So here, I see that I have a 7 for the base. And the side that corresponds with that 7 is 14. So for the bases, our small is 7, our large is 14. Now I'm going to the side that has an 8 for the small, and the larger side that corresponds with it actually has an x. So now I have a proportion that is set up that will allow me to solve the missing side. And remember, when we go ahead and we do that, solving proportions, we multiply and find the cross products. It's kind of called the butterfly effect because it looks like a butterfly, or you know that that looks like a big multiplication sign. So I'm going to multiply 7 times x is 7x, and 8 times 14 is 112. I need to get my variable alone. So the x is going to be equal to 112 divided by 7 is 16. Here is our missing side. All right, so let's look at number 2. Here I have a small rectangle and I have a larger rectangle. So again, I am going to go ahead and I am going to write small over big. And that's my brain getting ready to solve this problem. And now the small base is a 4, and the large base that corresponds with it is an x. Going to the side of the rectangle, the small is a 9, but notice the large is a 27. Again, my small values are my numerator, my larger values are my denominator. And so now we will do the exact same thing. We're going to go ahead and we will find the cross products. So 9 times x is 9x, and 4 times 27 is 108. To get the x by itself, I have to divide by 9. So our base that is missing is a 12. There's our missing part. All right, let's look now at a problem that's a little bit different. It says the ratio of the perimeters are 12 to 7. Well, if I know the ratio of perimeters, again, large triangle, small triangle. So I'm going to go large over small. And I know that this has to be my larger one because the perimeter is larger. So it's a 12 over 7. So now I'm going to go to my large triangle. I have an 18. And the small triangle side that is missing is an x. Again, we are going to go ahead and we will do our cross products. And when we do that, we end up with a 12x is equal to 7 times 8, which is 126. I'm going to divide both sides by 12. And our missing side of that small triangle is actually 10 and 5/10, 10 and a half. And it didn't give us units, so there is our answer. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.